guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this hair growth oil that I've been making myself in the house. It's really good, help moisturizes your hair and also help it to grow. I'm going to share all the things that I use to make it so that you can also do yourself at home. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload you will get my videos. This is shea butter. It's an organic shea butter from Ghana. I got from a sister. So this is a Vaseline, pure Vaseline, and the next one is virgin hair fertilizer. And I'm also going to use amla hair oil. That's this one. This hair oil is very good. If you see, it's written on it, makes your hair grow very long and strong. So I'm going to use this half of the hair fertilizer that I have. I'll leave the big one down. So I'm using my measuring spoon to scoop my shea butter. That's about 15 ml spoon I'm using to scoop the butter into the little pot. So I decided to measure the shea butter due to it sometimes being hardening in the room temperature. If I use it too much, it will be bad. So this is coconut oil, organic coconut oil. The green writing is 100% organic coconut oil. I'm scooping the same amount, 15 ml, into the little pot, and when I finish I'm going to melt all of this together. Also I'm going to add in the hair fertilizer because it's also a little bit of solid at room temperature, but I want all of this to turn into like liquid. So all of these products are very good for hair growth. If you know a lot about shea butter, it's very good for making your natural hair grow a lot. It keeps in moisture, and also the hair fertilizer is designed to grow the hair, and then the organic coconut oil is also very good for hair growth. You know, you must know a lot about it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm melting all of the product together in a cup of warm water, not so hot, because I want this all to dissolve in a room temperature so that it will not lose any goodness in it. So this is how I'm going to do this until it completely melts. So as you can see, if I bring it out, you can see it's turning almost like liquid, and I like it so much, looking a little bit like yellowish, I think because of the shea butter and the hair fertilizer. So yeah, this is my oil. I'm still on doing. So melting these products, look like the shea butter dissolved very fast than the coconut oil. So that's the white and inside still not dissolved yet. That's the coconut oil. So now, yeah, it's all ready. You can see all 10 liquid, very nice and beautiful. So I'm going to start adding the rest of my products that are already liquid, and I did not need them melted. So as you can see, this has turned almost like some oil. So this is a 5 ml of teaspoon I'm using, or measuring spoon. That is a glycerin, or the glycerin I showed earlier. That's what I poured into it. Glycerin is very good for hair growth. It also locks in moisture. If you know, it's also good for the skin. Very nice product. So I added 5 ml of that, and then next I'm adding this 15 ml of amla oil. This oil is made in India. It's organic. It's very good product, and I'm using this. The amla oil has a color like looking either green, like dark green or so. So when I poured it, you see it has completely changed the color of the whole oils, and this thing smells so good. So I'm going to pour all of this into my application bottle. As I'm finished with it, I'm going to empty it into my bottle, which I'm going to be using to apply onto my scalp directly. So yeah, this is my little bottle. So I have been using this bottle for the first one that I did. So this is the second time I'm doing this oil, which I used. This lasts for about 2 months, depending on how quick you use it. I don't so much use it a lot because it goes directly under my scalp. This oil is really good. So I'm going to demonstrate how I use it to you. So what I do after I pour it into the bottle is I shake it, because as you can see, there is still little pieces of the solid, either coconut oil or something like that in it, which will make it all like dissolve together. Also I clean around it just to wipe off the excess oil, and that is it. And this is how far my hair has grown. It has shrunk, but you can see the length is there. It's really growing very fast, and all because of this oil that I made. So I specially pour the oil into this little application bottle, that when I finish, when I just put it under my scalp, it will direct the oil right into it. You see, it has gone down right under it. So it helps direct the oil into your hair very good. So that's how I apply it throughout my hair. When I finish, I massage this throughout and then I comb it out. So that's all I do. Very cheap, affordable. The product I use, you buy them. I bought some of them from eBay. I bought hair fertilizer from eBay. Coconut oil, most of us have it in the house. So yeah, it's growing really fast, very quick. Look really long now. Even though the shrinkage is very real, it's still growing very fast, and I'm enjoying this. I like it. I want my natural hair to grow very fast for me to be able to be styling a lot of hair, do a lot of styles, you know. So thank you for joining me. I hope this was helpful in any way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment down below and put the notification bell on. Anytime I upload, you get my videos. Thank you for joining me. See you in my next videos. Bye.